Hi, in this tutorial I will show you how to validate a form using JavaScript and display all error messages in a single alert box. Here I am displaying all error messages in a single alert box. This is a form which contains a select box for selecting student name and some input text fields for entering marks in different languages, and we have a submit button and a reset button. In the on click event of submit button, we will call a JavaScript function val, and it will validate the form. Here we have a field missing fields which is set to false, and a string fields which is set to empty string. First we will check if the student name is selected using the selected index. If selected index is equal to 0, that means we didn't select any option. Selected index will be equal to 0 for the first option inside a select list, and selected index will be equal to 1 for the second one, and it will be equal to 2 for the third one, and so on. So we will check if it is equal to 0 and display an error message. Please select a student name, and we will add a new line character for breaking the line. Then we will check if the marks in C is ended. Otherwise we will add a message to the string fields variable. Please enter marks in C, and we will check the marks in C#, Java, PHP. Also we check if the marks is ended is a numeric value using the isNaN function in JavaScript. If it is not a numeric value, we will alert the same message. Otherwise we will skip all the lines, and we will check if the missing fields variable is set to 0. Sorry, if the missing fields variable is true, that means if it is true, that means there is some error in the validation. Then we will alert a message, I am sorry, but you must provide the following fields for continuing, and we will add a new line character, then append the string with string fields variable with which contains the errors, and we returns a false to prevent the action of the form. If the missing fields variable is equal to false, that means there is no error. Then we will return true, and the form action will be redirected to the action page. Thank you. .html page will be displayed. See, now there are 5 errors, and I will select one. Now we have only 4 errors. I will enter a string. Now it will show the error message. Now I will enter a numeric number. See, now we have only 3 errors. Now we have only 2 errors. We have only 1 error. The form has been submitted successfully. Thanks for watching this video.